Hi everyone, I'm Alen Yeoh from the economy. So I would like to share about the latest update in the Facebook Ads Manager. For most of the Ads Manager account, actually, there's a little bit changes when you choose your objective. And after you choose your objective, then the next part is about the advertising setting, the ads content. Actually, all the rest are the same. Okay, it's mostly the same as the usual. So first, in the Ads Manager account, choose create, which is the green color button. And from here, actually, is for you to choose your objective. So the Facebook actually is simplifying the options of the campaign objective. So I will talk a little bit about it. The first one is awareness, is for you to do brand awareness, which means you want to brand your contents, your your Facebook page, the posting to reach out more people. So awareness is the options. Okay, so it's basically just let people know about you, saw you in social media, in Facebook, in Instagram, and some websites. Then traffic actually is for you to promote a posting that is lead the people to visit a website, a landing page, a web page. The third one is the engagement, again, which is if you want to get more people like, comments, or share your posting, engagement is one of the good options. And number four, if you want to get sales leads, which means the contact information of someone who showed interest to your products or your service, leads is one of the best options. And number five is app promotions, which is to promote applications for people to install. And the last one is sales, is the products that you want to promote. You want to let people direct place order in your website, in the e-commerce website, or some marketplace like Shopee. Yes, you can choose this one because it is more on sales oriented. So today I will choose engagement because I got a sponsor project to do it, again, to promote a marathon event. So I want to have the posting to get more engagement. So I will choose engagement. This is the place for you to name the campaign. So what I will do is I will name the project, then the options of the objective right here, and then next one is the date that I want to do. So I will choose this one, level 1, level 2, level 3, then continue. So this is the level 1, level 2, level 3 as well, but it will be included more setting for you. So you can see just now the name that I add in, actually it will be appear right here. So this is the level 1, this is the level 2, and this is the level 3. So for the level 1, basically, if you want to make it more specific settings, actually you can go to learn about A/B tests, which is for you to have more ad setting or the ads content. So you can do the comparisons. You can compare the performance between the image, text, or maybe the audience setting. And the last, another one in this level 1 setting is advantage campaign budgets, which is if you want to do a few ads setting or the ads content, so you want all of them to share the total amount of the budget. So this is for you to choose the budget. So in the ads manager system, it will be using the AI system to help you to optimize the performance, which is to choose the best performance. And the rest, they will control the budgets. So after the level 1 setting done, we will go to next. So it's loading, and you'll be asked about the conversions locations. So you can read through all this info, okay, which is the locations that you want to connect, okay, to your audience, with your audience. So for this, actually, I basically just want people interact with my posting. So I will choose the first one, is the conversion location is on your ad. Then this, you can choose the engagement types you want. So click, mostly I will choose post engagement. If you promote a video, you can choose video views. So if you want to promote an event, so you can choose event response. So I'm going to promote it's a posting. So it's an event, but we do a posting in the Facebook page. Next is the optimizations delivery. Usually I will recommend this just remain as usual default. And next one is the budget and schedule. So I used to use a daily budget. If you want to control the budget, you can choose lifetime budget. So it will be end it according to your deadline. So for this, actually, I will do the setting is daily budget is about 20 ringgit because I want to do more ads campaign, all right, for promoted event. So I will control my budget. Okay, control cash flow is very important. Control the budget and the cash flow. So this is the start date. For the start date, usually I will add 1 more hour right here. Okay, because sometimes I will take up more times to do the setting. So if the setting is over the start date, then sometimes it will appear error. So I will recommend you add 1 more hour as well. Next one is the audience. So it depends the audience you want to do. You can choose the setting according to the locations you want, the age group you want, the gender you want, the tier targeting that you want, and the language that you want. So for my project, actually, I got to do a safe audience ready. Okay, I just want to do a little bit amendment. Okay, so for those, some of you, if you doesn't have any safe audience, you can do the editing right here. Just choose the edit button right here. So you can choose the locations you want. So I will choose this, which is the setting. Then I want to do a little bit amendment. So I will choose duplicate audience. Because the event actually is based in Semenanjung, Malaysia. So I will exclude Sarawak. It's loading. Okay, and Sarawak. I exclude these 2 locations. Okay, it's Malaysia, right? Okay, exclude Sabah, Sarawak. The age group I think is okay. It's marathon, so some young people like marathon and some elder people also like marathon. Then the gender I target all. So the other targeting I will target the people who match sports and family. There's no advantage detail targeting unless you want to widen your setting. So language, yes, English because my posting is English. So next is the placement. My posting actually is a square size, so I would like to promote it for target post placements that have my target audience. So I will choose this one, which is the recommended. Go to next. So choose the page. If you want to change the page, you can change other page that you want to target. You can choose, if you don't have an Instagram account, you can choose the selected page. Okay, for this, correct already. Then for the ad setup, okay, for information right now is at the ad content setting already. So right here, you can choose the page, the poster, the write-up that you want to target. So for this, I will choose the use existing post. Then I will select post, select posting. So I want to promote this posting. Then if you want to add in a button, you can add in a button, update the post. So I update the post already. Okay. So for this one, if you don't want to choose existing post, actually you can choose create ad. When you choose create ad, it's just asking you want to choose a video, image, or other type of the content you want to create, you want to promote. Then you just choose the options. Let's say you choose video, then you scroll down. Actually, you can choose the video as well. You can add the media right here. can add video or you can add image. It's up to you. Then you just add in the write-up right here. So for my ads campaign right now, actually basically I want to promote this posting only. So once everything done, double check. Okay, if you want to amend the message template, you can edit it right here. You can edit the questions, you can edit the response you want with the answer to the questions. Okay, you can just choose edit right here. All right, so please take some time to study, read all the questions, and then figure out which one you want to make it better. You have to enhance it a little bit better. So possibility that's possible that you can get better response to your events, your products, or service. So for this is overall almost done. There's no tracking because I don't want to do any remarketing. Okay, unless if you need, then you need to set up the ads, events, or the better setting. Okay, to do the tracking. So for this, no need. Okay, so I will just publish the event. And last tips for you, okay, you actually can choose level 1, level 2, and level 3 to do double check again. Double check your budget, double check is the setting correct, double check whether it's the page correct or not. Yeah, sometimes, yeah, we will make a minor mistake, okay? And for this, actually, all these advertisements, definitely we need to pay for it because you need to pay for it so we can access to this ads manager system. So you can do the big data setting. Okay, so it's published 24%. Seems like something wrong. I will just refresh the Ads Manager account and publish again. So for some of you, maybe you are facing the problems of yeah, the publishing will be stuck at there. Maybe it's pause or stop. So what to do? Don't worry. Just refresh and then publish again. Like now you can see it's green color already, which means my item is published already. So I just turn off right here, close. On the top right, you can see there's a cross. So you press close. Then you can just close all these and go back to the level 1 setting. Okay, right here you can see a level 1 as well. Level 1 is the campaigns. Level 2 is the ad setting, and level 3 ads, basically for you to choose your content, choose the page. So overall, almost done. So I just refresh again, double check. Is there any error for this ads campaign? So for this ads campaign is right here and it's scheduled already. So just wait for the posting, ongoing, active and ongoing. All right, so please remember every day, double check and monitor your advertising performance. That's all. Thank you. Goodbye.